5 things to give up in life. Number 1. Self-limiting beliefs. Let go of negative beliefs about yourself and your abilities. Replace them with positive affirmations and a growth mindset that believes in your potential to achieve greatness. Number 2. Toxic relationships. Identify and distance yourself from toxic individuals who bring negativity and drag you down. Surround yourself with supportive, uplifting people who inspire and encourage you. Number 3. Fear of failure. Embrace the possibility of failure as a natural part of growth and learning. Let go of the fear that holds you back and take calculated risks to pursue your dreams and aspirations. Number 4. Procrastination. Overcome the habit of procrastination that hinders your productivity and progress. Prioritize tasks, set deadlines, and take action to achieve your goals without unnecessary delays. Number 5. Comparison with others. Release the need to constantly compare yourself to others. Focus on your own journey and progress, celebrating your achievements and using others as inspiration rather than competition. By giving up these negative habits and mindsets, you can create space for positive change and personal development, leading to a more fulfilled and purposeful life. Remember, it takes time and effort to make these changes, so be patient and compassionate with yourself throughout the process.